We have some very interesting measures in our system that we ask clients to use. And boy, these measures tell the truth. As a matter of fact, it's kind of embarrassing. Because they'll come in and they'll say, our failure rate is 3%. By our measure, it's 98%. I'll give you an example. Cycle time and process time. If you go to a baseball game, it takes about 3.5 hours to 4 hours to play 9 innings of baseball. But if you sat there with a stopwatch in your hand and measured only the ball and play time, it would be about 18 minutes. And that's how these measures work. And so this very large company we work with, a very large bank in the United States, and we asked them to do that very measurement. Not people on the front line. We asked the operating committee and the CEO to do this measure. Go out and measure how long it takes a commercial loan to go through your process. That's the cycle time. And then measure just the touch time where the loan is actually being worked on, the risk analysis is being done, and all the rest of it. And they came back, and I could tell by looking at them when they came into the room that they had found out what we always find out. 37 days is how long it takes that loan request to go through their process. 26 minutes of touch time. And the part that they learned out of that is all the time beyond 26 minutes is waste. But you're paying for it. Just take your overhead, the cost of your people, the facilities, and take that and boil it down to 36 minutes. That's how much it's really costing you. And I didn't have to say anything more. They said, you know something? There's a lot of money to be made out here finding that. And that's a typical example of what we find in most companies.